Want to know how to use items strategically during events in Game of Thrones Kingsroad? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So I'm going to explain you how it works and how you can get through it in order to use your items effectively. So first, just simply save your healing and stamina items for top stages or boss battles. Don't waste them on easy quests so that you can just simply save up your items. Next, simply check the event objectives before using buffs. Some events sometimes have time limits or specific enemy types, so using attack or defense boost at the right moment can make a huge difference. Also, don't forget about combo items. Stacking buffs together can help you clear stages faster and get higher rewards. Also, keep track of your event progress. If you're close to a milestone reward, prioritize clearing that stage with all your resources intact. By planning your item uses and timing them smartly, you'll get the maximum value out of every event and dominate the leaderboard. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.